What's up, everybody? Welcome to our coolest gadget series, where we compile a list of the most useful and most unique devices you can get your hands on. We got a crazy list of 12 things today, so make sure to stay with us till the end so you don't miss the best saved for the last. If any of the products mentioned interest you enough to add to your space, make sure to check out the description where we'll add the links. Get comfortable, grab a snack, and let's get ready to discuss what's cool on the market. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep up with our weekly uploads. Number 1. Rubik's Cube Speaker. If you're like me, you like how the Rubik's Cube looks, but don't want to solve it. With this Rubik's Cube speaker, you can enjoy the retro Y2K look of it without needing to play the puzzle. This is a fully functional Bluetooth speaker. The cubes are equipped with LED lights that add some bright colors to your listening experience. There are 5 color-changing modes, including lights that flash to the rhythm of your favorite song. That is a mood. Thanks to the built-in microphone, you can also answer calls right from the cube. It might look weird through the speaker as palm-sized with its 2.7-inch size. You can easily take it anywhere you go and subtly flex on your friends. See if they can guess what it really is. Number 2. It's OK Bluetooth 5.0 Cassette Player. Furthermore, here's one more extraordinary illustration of how something old and almost neglected returns in an incredible new way. This is a cassette player intended to address current issues. It highlights Bluetooth 5.0 availability and works impeccably with earphones and speakers. One more result choice is the standard aux port, however. You can likewise utilize the player just since it has inherent speakers. Another cool capability is the old-fashioned voicemail. The player is furnished with a receiver that permits you to record your voice on blank tapes. One tape is as of now remembered for the bundle. It's fueled by 2 standard batteries, and there are 3 extraordinary variety choices to browse. Number 3. Goku Lamps. Calling all Dragon Ball fans, there's a set of amazing Goku Lamps. This one is basic yet impressive. It comprises a little figure and an acrylic base. The Drove bulb upholds many tones, making this incredibly awesome. The light is extremely minimal and will effectively accommodate your work area, and here's a DIY unit that permits you to update the light by adding an illuminated cloud to it. Getting together is fast and ought to take you a couple of moments. Be that as it may, this way, the light will require somewhat more space. At last, this choice highlights a somewhat unique level plan. It incorporates a few plastic pieces that are not difficult to install manually. They make this little blast that looks significantly more practical. Light your space up with this unique lamp. It'll be sure to add some character to your home. Number 4. Lamps. Instantly eye-catching, these lights are extremely pleasing to have in your space. The retro-styled huge bulbs immediately create a warm and comfy atmosphere. They use high-brightness LEDs varying in color and warmth, and this magnificent spark effect is achieved with a special stereoscopic reflective glass. The bulbs come in various sizes and shapes, including some unusual ones with the E27 light holder. They can be easily installed in any kind of lamp. All of them are solar-powered, which is quite convenient. On top of that, the lifespan of these LEDs reaches up to 10,000 hours. Definitely add this one to your wish list. Number 5. Titanium Pen. A tactical pen is the most efficient and easy tool to use for self-defense. Especially this one first features a compact and reliable design. The pen is made of titanium, which is extremely durable and looks great. What's more, it uses a high-quality German refill, which is completely waterproof. It pops out quickly. Thanks to the eye-shaped switch, the top part carries 6 luminescent tritium vials that can glow in the dark without any electricity, and there are 4 colors to choose from. This is such an impressive thing to add to your collection. Number 6. Darth Sidious Lightsaber. We never want that villain to win, but they got some really cool weapons we can admire. That is the very case with the Emperor Palpatine, also known as Darth Sidious. This DIY pack permits you to gather an exceptionally exact model of the Emperor's lightsaber. Indeed, it's simply the handle at this point at the same time. Who can say for sure when the power stirs? It's made of durable CNC machined brass plated with gold and chrome. The switch on the handle activates audio effects and LED lights for a more realistic experience. Because of the step-by-step video guide, the gathering won't take you long at the same time, regardless of what you ought to remain on the light side. Number 7. Vont Lyra LED Nightlight. This device will assist you in moving around the house when it's dull and not hinder others by turning on the main lights. Vont Lyra LED Nightlight will give you a perfectly measured proportion of light. Because of the built-in sensor, it naturally turns on as the encompassing light becomes inadequate. More than that, it changes itself over the course of the night intelligently. Another component Lyra nightlight will cost you under 40 cents per year to work, which is cool, since its life expectancy is around 10,000 hours, and to wrap things up, its minimal size will not discourage different outlets like smart arrangements. You'll track down the link to this item in the description. Number 8. Retina Shoes. The following gadget is really crazy yet certainly worth your consideration. It just so happens that we can utilize our shoes to convey some valuable stuff that we want consistently. The assortment incorporates 3 choices which either hold tampons of different sizes, coordinates, or charging ports as per the creator. The primary thought of these shoes is to motivate positive social cooperation and sharing. It's certainly a conversation starter. Number 9. PRIMETRACKING Personal GPS Tracker. Monitor your car with this highly connected car adapter that can deliver real-time local traffic at any time every 10 seconds and act as your car's GPS. It is a great device that you can keep in your car in case of emergencies, especially when someone is driving. Advanced lets you sync this device to your Echo Nest and other smart devices. It's an ultra-compact, lightweight, and discreet, and has durable, easy access to car tracking. The unlimited devices are under one account with an easy-to-use app. Number 10. USB Type-C car charger. Compatible with mobile phone tablets and other electronic devices, this USB Type-C gives you a quicker and more convenient way to charge your devices in your car. After the days of disconnecting various wires to charge a particular device, this charger is available worldwide and is a real treat these days. You probably need to have at least one USB charger in your car. Number 11. Twistep Pet Step for Dogs. A pet dog Twistep dog twist is the best way to provide a step up to your car for your canine friend, a quick multi-use step that gives better access to your SUV Twistep installation on your walking receiver, and an easy lifting pin twist to help your dog load inside or outside the car. The twisting action will be equal to 1.5 inches, and 2 inches of hitch get securely attached to the receiver of your car and shops under the bumper when it is not working. It holds up to 400 kilograms, and rust resistance ensures longevity, unlike any other ramp or other sets you need to be free to use and pack, and after using the twisting step is easy and easy to use. The twisting step is a quick multi-use step that helps your dog get in and out of your SUV or van to easily attach the shock absorber to your car and keep it under the bumper when it is not working. The twisting action gives your pet a low impact on getting in and out of the car, and jumping back and forth in the car can exacerbate or cause even more serious conditions such as arthritis, leg injuries, and spinal injuries, and lifting a large dog in a car is not easy. Number 12. Smart Projector Puppet Cube. Imagine you could turn anything that's a flat surface into your own iPad. Cool, huh? It's a wish that's possible if you have one of these groundbreaking portable projectors. Any touch technology can turn any flat surface into a 23-inch interactive touchscreen by adjusting the focus and brightness automatically. This product runs Android 9.0 in this way. It brings the greater part of your most loved applications for work and amusement. On top of that, with the level mode, you'll get a 100-inch projection on your wall that can supplement your TV with HDMI and USB support. You're allowed to connect your PC, tablet, or even a gaming console. Remote screen reflecting is likewise a choice. On account of the coordinated speaker and excellent camera, this gadget is likewise completely reasonable for video meetings. An enormous battery permits more than 2 hours of playtime. Huh, that's better than your partner who plays less with you. So, that's all until next time, folks. Comment which of these products you're gonna buy. See you in the next video.